And the lesson is this: proving you care about others by letting go of what's hair.
Awesome, great.
Yeah, it is true. If you want peace in your life, if you want to find freedom, you are going to have to cut your hair.
Joanne, it's not
So,
that.
I need a volunteer. Who would like to be my volunteer? They are so enthusiastic about my demonstration. Who would like a little snip? Little bit of a snip. Oh, you've already got a head start. Come on. Come on up here with me.
What do you do with this man?
Okay, what I need you to just come up here. Ovi, you just wait.
I'm a little
Sit
concerned.
down here.
How's this having to do with the bottom line?
I am going to help this man find peace and freedom by cutting his hair or what's left of it. So, this will be good. I just need to get ready.
Have you done this before? You have a license?
You go. Maestro!
Music?
Of course.
Okay. What is that? It's like in a circus or something. What are you going to do with that, Joanne? You got it shining right there. What are you going to do with that? Seriously? Sure. Okay, yeah. No, wait. Cut the music. Joey, stop. What are you doing? You've got it all wrong. Yeah, you made an ice cream sundae on this dude today. Yeah, I mean, look at what you did right here. Yeah, you got it all wrong. It's not about hair. It's proving I was wrong. It's fair. Yeah, by letting go of what's fair. By letting go of what's fair, not hair. Think? Yeah, I think we need to get this gentleman in the back and get him cleaned up and get this